Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix FIFA 23. The application encountered an unrecoverable error problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Before moving on to our solutions, make sure your video card and Windows are up to date. Our first solution is to uninstall AI Anti-Cheat. To do this, we click on File Explorer. Then click on Disk C and click on Program Files. We open the AI file. Click on the AC file. Then we click on AI Anti-Cheat Installer.exe. We choose FIFA 23. Then click Uninstall. After the uninstall process is finished, we need to install it again. Because if we don't install AI Anti-Cheat, we can't open the game. We downloaded AI Anti-Cheat. Now you can open AI or Origin as administrator and check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our second solution. Our second solution is to delete Faceit Anti-Cheat and Riot Vanguard. We will use Geek Uninstaller to do this. I will put the download link of this program in the description section. You can download it for free from there. After opening our program, we right-click on Faceit Anti-Cheat. Then click on Uninstall. We click Yes. And we click OK. The reason we use this program is because it also deletes leftover files. We deleted Faceit Anti-Cheat completely. Now it's Riot Vanguard's turn. We scroll down and find Riot Vanguard. Then right-click and then click Uninstall. We click Yes. We also uninstalled Riot Vanguard. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we move on to our third solution. Our third solution is to repair FIFA 23. To do this, we open AI's application. Then we click on FIFA 23. If you are playing from Origin, you can follow these steps for Origin. When you click on the three dots, you should see the repair option. Repair does not appear because mine is a trial version. You click on repair and wait for this process to finish. After this process is finished, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our fourth solution. Our fourth solution is to enable secure boot if it is not active on our computer. In order to activate the secure boot, we need to enter the BIOS of the computer. Depending on the brand of the computer you are using, your BIOS key may be different, and on the motherboard your BIOS menu may be different. To learn the BIOS key, we type the brand of our computer and BIOS key into the browser. As you can see here, it says which key it is. You can learn the BIOS key by typing the brand of your own computer. Now we will enter the BIOS to enable secure boot. After opening the BIOS, we come to boot from the top menu above. You may also have boot options. As you can see, it says enabled next to secure boot. This option will be disabled for you. We enable the disabled part by pressing the enter key. And secure boot is activated. In addition, if there is Windows UEFI in the boot mode section, select Windows UEFI. If there is no Windows UEFI, select UEFI. After making these settings, we come to the exit on the top right. From here we select the save and shutdown option or exit saving changes. In this way, our settings will be saved. After turning your computer back on or restarting it, you can check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.